Let me let me talk about for a second why I think this is super interesting. Prediction markets is another really interesting one. I keep hearing about this like crazy. This is definitely a much bigger endeavor, and to be frank, we're going to be doing this anyways. Our current roadmap is we're going to get futures done, and as soon as futures are done, we're going to start working on prediction markets, right? And I think we'll probably have futures done in about a week, maybe less, if it was as easy as crypto. Then right after we finish futures, we're going to start integrating with prediction markets. I'm not sure which one yet, whether it's Polymarket or Kalshi or Predictit, but these actually have some really interesting things. And let me talk about for a second why I think this is super interesting. So Polymarket, for starters, you could bet on like anything. You could bet on, is the leader of Iran going to be out? Will the Iranian regime fall before 2027? U.S. strikes Iran by X date, right? You can also bet on games, football, basketball, all that stuff. Super Bowl champion, right? You could bet on that. You know what I mean? You could bet on basically anything. So earnings, okay, check this out. You can bet on earnings. Will Taiwan Semiconductor beat quarterly earnings? Will Wells Fargo beat quarterly earnings? So you have all these different probabilities that you could place on different earnings, right? And what's actually really interesting is you could actually hedge your bets doing this stuff, right? So you could place a bet on, will TSMC beat quarterly earnings? You could bet no on that, which will give you like a really high payout because a 96% chance. And at the same time, buy the company itself, right? So you're making money either way. There's probably some sort of arbitrage opportunities there, right? So there's a lot of really interesting things you could bet on here, right?
I
And
love that idea.
so what do you think about that? Put it into the comments. Let me know. I respond to all of your comments. So I'm very interested to hear what you thought about the video and what do you want to see next. And of course, if you're interested in any of this stuff, go check it out at botspot.trade.